Hey, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're at in your day. Here are the notes for circumference of a circle. The y. Start with the y. Y. Circle geometry is a basic concept of geometry. Perimeter is a basic concept that you should be familiar with in your life, applications in the trades, and home ownership, and problem solving, things like that. So, basic geometry. And then actual versus approximate. Okay, approximate versus actual. Different times when we use different things, right? Approximate's okay in a lot of cases. Hey, meet me there at 8 o'clock or so. Or maybe you're like me, you don't like that. You like the actual with the time. But actual, if I'm buying a car, I want to know exactly what the cost is going to be, right? Or signing up for a service or something like that. So pi is exactly equal to 3.14. No, that is a false. I don't know if you guys have seen, but they make necklaces, and sometimes it's around teachers' classrooms, and 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, and keep going with that. Okay, so that's pi is the exact number or the exact concept, and 3.14 is approximate. Let's see, what else we want to hit. Circumference of a circle is equal to twice the diameter. Well, let's cover the formulas we're going to have here. So, circumference is d pi. Circumference is also 2r pi. These two are the same thing, d and 2r. So let's look at that with problem solving strategy. Draw a picture. So here's our picture of our circle. This is r. Say r is equal to, r is equal to 4. So if we have some diameter here, diameter is 8. Alright, so that's how those two things would relate. Okay, so circumference is equal to twice the diameter. No, it's twice the radius and pi, so that is definitely false. Alright, so that is a good start there. Alright, so if we bump down to 5 here, we're going to look at this. It gives us a radius. I always like to start with the formula, and I'm going to use circumference is 2r pi. Okay, so if circumference is 2r pi, I'm just going to plug in what I know. That's going to go in for 5, so I've got 2 times 5 pi. So my exact answer is, circumference is exactly 10 pi. Okay? Nice thing about exact, there's actually less calculation to do. You're just leaving pi exactly as it is, and you're not approximating with the decimal. We're also going to learn to approximate it with the decimal. So that is approximately, and I'm not big into the 3.14 thing. I like to use the calculator approximation. Oop. As I said that, I did exactly what I said not to do. Sorry. 10 times pi. How about that? Woo, that's better. 31.4. I think we're rounded to the 100th. So 10s, hundredths. So the 1, you look at the next number next to it. Hopefully that's for you. 31.42. Millimeters, not squared. It is linear. We should add millimeters here as well. Okay. So that is that. Let's look at another one. Diameter. Man, this makes it really straightforward. Circumference is diameter times pi. Diameter is 21. Your exact answer is 21 pi inches. Woo! You get all that? Okay? So your circumference approximately is 21 pi. Which is 65.97. The 3 keeps the 7 where it is. 65.97. There you go. Should get you rolling on the rest of these. Okay. This front side will be homework. Okay. What's due on Monday is the project and this homework. We'll go to the lab right after this. Okay. Let's bump down here. Circumference of a circle is approximately this. Find the diameter and radius. Okay. So I'm going to give myself some room here. I really wish there were more room on this worksheet. I don't like being crowded. I like being clear with my work so I can go back and see what I did. If I made a mistake or if I did it correctly, then I have a nice example. So circumference is, we need to find diameter and radius. So I'm going to find diameter first. Circumference is diameter pi. Well, to get diameter by itself, because that's multiply, I'm going to divide each side by pi. So now I'm just going to plug in what I know. Circumference is 28.26. By pi, those will cancel, is equal to d. Okay, so let's pull this up here. D is 28.26 divided by pi. .995, and I believe it said to approximate. It's approximately that. Well, I feel pretty comfortable approximating 8.995 to 9. Okay, so let's call the diameter 9 centimeters. So if the diameter is 9 centimeters, let's use problem-solving strategy. Use draw a picture. If the diameter is 9, then half the diameter of the radius would just be 4.5. So D is 9 cm, R is 4.5 cm. Okay. Hopefully that is working for you. We can always pause this. Just talk to the substitute or myself or whoever's driving the bus, so you can get everybody on the same page. Okay. Let's go down here. Now, a lot of times when you're facing a problem, it helps to break the problem into smaller, more manageable challenges. It's a good problem-solving strategy. So if I take, this and this and this and this, I'm pretty sure that's going to be a circle. And I'm pretty sure that I'll have this circle. Looks to me like it's going to have a radius of 4. And then it looks to me like I've got this length, and then these two shorter lengths. So the perimeter would be the area of the whole outside circle, and then the area of the the 4 lengths. So plus, 2 of these longer lengths plus 2 of the shorter. Okay. So, if the radius is 4, then the diameter is 8. So circumference is 8 pi. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then this longer length. Well, if this is a circle, the definition of a circle is a set of points equal distance from the center. So this is 4, this is 4, and I'm just going to throw all those down right there just because I know them and it doesn't cloud the picture and I'm very visual, I can see it. So if this whole thing is 18, 18 minus the 8, 4 and 4 is going to get me 10. So 2 times 10 right there. And same reasoning, if this whole thing is 14, I've got 4 and 4 here, minus 8, I believe that is 6. Okay, so now I'm in a good place. I've got, you know, if I'm doing my old perimeter Pete is here. He's going to hit the circle eventually, so he's going to have a circle. He's got a little one, he's got a bigger one, little one, we're home. Okay, so let's combine those things. 8 pi plus 20 plus 12. Okay, and I'll go right to my calculator with that. I mean, you can keep going, simplifying if you want to. 20 plus 12. We got 57.13. So 57.13 centimeters, and it's linear. So distance is equal to that. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Let me talk about what's expected for money really quick. You have the house project, 2K, drive or emailed. Zoom in here. To harris.rj.t@Petoskey Schools. And then, so to K drive or email to me. Either way, if you put it in K drive, definitely back it up. That's a good practice to get into anyways. I should probably do more of that. And then this worksheet. So finish this circumference of a circumference worksheet. So that is it. I hope that makes sense. There's probably a million Google hits. Let's see if we can make this work right here. Hey, there I am. Circumference of a circle, 13.2 million in 0.32 seconds. So there's a couple resources out there for you if you are struggling with this. Hope you are well. Please enjoy your weekend. I will see you Monday. We'll hit area. Area of the circle. We'll hit this, and then we'll get ready for Chapter 9 test. Be well. Take care. See you soon.